Family, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Tonio. So on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to do the text-to-speech feature on Instagram, just like you do on TikTok. It is very, very easy to do, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So let's go ahead and pull up my Instagram. Don't be lame, you guys. Go ahead and follow your boy. I'm always on Instagram. So if you guys ever have any questions about a tutorial or any video requests, go ahead, follow me on Instagram, hit me up, okay? So I have my Instagram pulled up. We're gonna tap Reels, boom, we're gonna get into it. And so for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna take a quick little video. Yes, your boy has his camera on top of a clues box because, you know what I'm saying, sometimes you just gotta get it how you live, right? So boom. So we're gonna go to text, top right corner. Let's see here. If you love me, you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right? Boom. Now, the key to this is making sure that you hold the speech bubble in the bottom left corner. That's what I keep forgetting. So if you hold it, you're gonna get that little three-pronged at the bottom. Boom. And so once it turns white, my fingers are big, right? So once it turns white, you tap text to speech, boom, and you're gonna get two options, right? And then that is it. Hit done.
If you love me, you will subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Boom. And that is it, you guys. So if you got value of this video, make sure that you like it and subscribe. Again, if you like this video, check out some of my other videos over here. Until next time, be easy.